How to change YouTube account password. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change YouTube account password. So let's get started. On this process, I want to give you information that there is no any such options like you can directly change of your YouTube account password from the application YouTube. So you have to just change of your Google ID password which was linked with your YouTube account. So for that you'll have to just open any browser or any Google Chrome or Gmail. So in my case, I'm opening the Google Chrome. And now from here, tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. And from here, tap on your Google account. And from here, scroll down and go with the option manage your Google account. Okay, so from the section, swipe right and go with the option security. And from this section, scroll down and go with the options like password. And now from here, you'll have to just enter your password for your Google ID. Alright, so after you verify with your ID, you'll be able to set a new password for your Google ID. So after you change the password for your Google ID, it will automatically change for the password of your YouTube account. Also, in this way, you can also change your YouTube account password. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.